beauties, what's up and welcome to my channel. We're going to take a look at some Boxycharm sneak peeks that have been coming out. I could wait no longer. I had to get on here in the middle of the night when something else popped up just to make sure you guys were informed in the morning. So please excuse my voice. You know how I have trouble with it occasionally, or is that all the time? Well, I guess it's kind of all the time, but let's get into it. What is Boxycharm? Boxycharm is a $21 a month beauty subscription that you'll receive 4 to 5 full-size beauty products based on your beauty quiz. This box will be valued at least $100. So right now, guys, if you join Boxycharm, if you're not subscribed and would like to join, or you'd like to get your daughter a box, it's a great time because they're offering you this $32 Becca Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer. I use this regularly under my eyes. It helps with fine lines. It also helps with puffiness. So if you join right now, and they did say they still have some, that was yesterday, which was the 13th, that they still have some of those. So the supply is still there. If you're interested in that, just use my link below and you can join Boxycharm and be eligible for what's coming in the future. A few days ago, Joe posted this picture with a Boxycharm box on his desk, and behind it, to the right back corner, you can see a product. I wasn't sure what this product was until I saw Instagram. It's Isabella Bedoya's video, and she was using the Butter London Natural Goddess palette along with this product. So watch this short clip and you'll see what this product is. Wow, isn't she a beauty? She has millions of followers on Instagram. Now, the product that she's using is the Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette, which we're getting in our July box. She's also using a product by Elemis. It's the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask, which sells for $35. And what this product does, it nourishes, hydrates, and brightens your skin in 10 minutes. You can use it a couple times a week. It banishes the look of dullness and dryness in 10 minutes with this smoothie-inspired moisturizing mask. It is packed with nutrient-dense super greens plus radiance-boosting fruit acids for an incredibly soft and smooth complexion. A prebiotic naturally derived from sugar helps to maintain balance in the skin's microflora for a healthier looking complexion. So this looks like a very good product that I know I need. I know a lot of you ladies may need something like this also. This Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask is coming to play in our July box some way. I'm not sure if it'll be up in the pop-up shop as a possibility to purchase for a reduced price, but we were told that we would see Elemis possibly in the July box, so we'll have to wait and see. Also on Instagram stories, Boxycharm put up a quiz. If you'd like to fill this out, you can go and check on Instagram on Boxycharm's story site and fill this out. I'll show you the quiz. I'll show you how I filled it out, and It's very helpful when they receive these quizzes so they can put what you like in the box or offer you products that they think you will enjoy.
Hey, you guys, we have this survey up right now. Go ahead and swipe up. When you answer these questions, it's going to help us understand what you prefer in your future boxes. And how many charms did they get, Johnny?
125. So go
Woo-hoo.
swipe up,
Hey,
swipe.
Next time I see a quiz like this, I think I'm going to go up on the community page and just notify you guys that this is up on Instagram. That way you can know to go and fill out the quiz. By the time I make a video, put it up, it may be too late. So things like that I'm going to start putting up on the community page, because I know if I put it up on Instagram, a lot of you don't have Instagram pages, or deal with Instagram, so I'm going to do it that way. But yeah, that was one little quiz. Then they also put up this little sneaky little preview here. So after seeing this little preview that says BOXYCHARM, stay tuned at Boxy Pop Up, I received a message from a subscriber telling me that something was up on Instagram, and this is what it was. BOXYCHARM sneaked and put up their site for Boxy Pop Up. And as you can see, a lot of people have started following it already. I would love for you guys to go there and follow Boxy Pop Up, so that way you could keep informed of what's going on. And it says that we will be offered products up to 70% off. So this is going to be similar to the Fab Fit Fun program with the add-ons. I'm thinking we're going to get more information on it soon, hopefully in the next day or so. But it's happening, guys. The Elements product, I'm thinking maybe one of these products in that Boxy Pop-Up shop. That would be great to get that product at 70% off. If it's $35, that would make it $10.50. That seems so unlogical. There's no way. But I'm telling you, I have purchased things from Fab Fit Fun for really cheap, good products, eye creams, and just so many products at really good prices. Also from Ipsy. Ipsy offers add-ons, plus they have an Ipsy store that they offer discounted items. Keep your eyes peeled. As soon as I hear more information, I will be here with it. But this Elements product will come into play somewhere. I'm not sure where. We know for sure in our July box we're having the Butter London Natural Goddess palette, as well as a face mask, he said. So I'm thinking the face mask is going to be one of those Glow Recipe products. Either the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, which sells for $45, or the Avocado Melt Sleeping Mask, which sells for $45 also. Now, in that picture with Glow Recipe, he also had the Glow Recipe Pineapple Seed Brightening Serum, which sells for $49, and the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser, which sells for $34. Could these other two products possibly be in the pop-up shop? That would be awesome. So I'm very excited for what's to come. I think Joe has relationships with a lot of people in Los Angeles. As a matter of fact, he was in Los Angeles today. Let me show you a little clip. He was at a birthday party. So Joe was in Los Angeles and attended a party that was thrown by Face Hero. And what Face Hero is, it's a company that was founded in 2017. A woman was sitting around with some friends thinking about how they just really hated to take off their makeup at night. And I'm the same way. If I've already bathed earlier or showered earlier, I hate washing off my makeup. The water gets everywhere. This is a special product that takes off your makeup. It's a special towel type product. It's a game-changing makeup remover, and it replaces up to 500 makeup wipes. I don't use makeup wipes on my face, but some people do. A lot of people do. And this is an alternative to that. You only need water on this cloth. I have a similar cloth by another company. Let me show you a little clip of how their product performs. So that is the halo effect. You get 3 of these round halo type towels for $22. I can't say if they're good or bad. I've never tried them, but I have tried similar products. I have a couple other brands, and they do work good. They do take your makeup off. My daughter actually uses this every night, one of these type towels. She doesn't wear a lot of makeup, so for her it really works well. So could this be possibly coming in a future box or in the pop-up shop? I'm not sure. I just wanted to put it out there because it is a little sneak peek. Remember guys, the 10,000 subscriber appreciation giveaway is ending on Saturday. So get your last minute views in so you'll have all your entries to win these prizes. I plan on doing a live on June 23rd. I will give you more details soon on that. I want to thank you all for watching my video. I really truly appreciate each and every one of you guys. Take care. Hit that like button if you liked my video. And until I see you guys again, bye. Mwah. Love you guys.